We really didn't want it to fall on its face. The robot is capable of far more than what we just demonstrated. We'll now play you some videos of the robot performing a number of less dangerous tasks. Guys, it's time to turn off the screen. We wanted to showcase a little bit more of our recent activities than just our stage performances and strolling about. Even though these are only the beginnings, you can already see the autopilot neural networks in action as they being directly retrained for the bot. In this video, we examined the state-of-the-art capabilities and potential applications of Tesla's revolutionary robot, Optimus. We'll go over everything you need to know about how Optimus is going to change the robotics industry, from its groundbreaking 22 degrees of freedom hand to the smooth integration of cutting-edge neural networks. Come along as we explore the amazing advancements that went into the Tesla bot Optimus and what this means for robotics going forward. This video is full with interesting ideas and forward-thinking viewpoints, so watch it whether you're a tech fanatic or just interested in learning about the current developments in AI. For the latest information about robotics and artificial intelligence, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started with Tesla stock news now. The human hand is an extraordinarily intricate and adaptable instrument that can do a great deal of work with accuracy and skill. Having a hand with 22 degrees of flexibility for Tesla bot Optimus is a big step toward functionality that resembles that of a human. An individual movement is represented by each degree of freedom, enabling finely detailed control. This development has the potential to completely change how robots interact with their surroundings and carry out activities requiring dexterity. There's a lot of talk about what to anticipate from Optimus soon, given Tesla's high pace of invention. According to some insiders, a third generation of Optimus may be unveiled before the end of the year, pushing the limits of robotics and maybe bringing with it even more sophisticated skills and degrees of freedom. Usually, there are 3 joints in each finger, which greatly increases the hand's total range of motion. To achieve 22 degrees of freedom, though, we must take into account the degrees of freedom in the wrist in addition to the fingers. The integration of hand and arm mechanics can lead to a more comprehensive approach to robotic dexterity. Let's examine the human hand in more detail, as it has an amazing 27 degrees of freedom. This allows for an amazing range of actions, involving movements not only in the fingers, but also in the palm and wrist. The objective of Tesla bot Optimus is to close the gap between human and robotic capacities. The artificial hand is getting closer to being as versatile as the human hand as we add more degrees of freedom. This might have significant effects on a number of industries, including manufacturing and healthcare, as robots are able to perform increasingly difficult and sensitive tasks. The smooth transition of the fingers and wrist is a crucial component of having excellent hand mechanics. More organic and fluid movements are possible because to this integration, which closely mimics the functionality of human hands. Through the coordination of finger and wrist movements, Tesla bot Optimus is able to carry out a broader range of tasks with increased accuracy and adaptability. This increased dexterity has important ramifications for the diversity of jobs. Robots with 22 degrees of freedom in their hands may perform more complex tasks in manufacturing, healthcare, and service sectors. Optimus can effectively perform tasks that call for careful handling, complex manipulation, or exact control, which could revolutionize the way we approach automation. Optimus differs from more stiff traditional robots in that it can reach a level of fluidity through precise coordination of movements from the hand to the torso to the legs. For activities requiring whole-body coordination, such walking on uneven ground, lifting objects, or engaging with complicated situations, this fluidity is essential. The fluidity and natural flow of TeslaBot's motions make it more capable of managing situations encountered in the real world. This feature not only increases the robot's efficacy, but also improves its acceptability and intuitiveness for human interaction. Let's now examine the benefits of humanoid design over simpler variants for robots like Neo. Tesla's humanoid robot, Neo, has hands and feet in addition to other typical human traits. This design offers useful benefits for teleoperation and transfer in addition to its aesthetic appeal. Neo's ability to imitate the human shape makes it easier for humans to control, which makes teleoperation in a variety of applications simple and efficient. Off-the-shelf grippers might not have the. Another important realization is that manual grippers with dexterous wrists are frequently more efficient than those with only dexterous fingers. Robos equipped with grippers that are both strong and flexible may accomplish a greater variety of jobs with increased accuracy and efficiency. Robots will be able to grasp objects and carry out tasks requiring intricate, coordinated movements, thanks to this comprehensive approach to hand mechanics. Tesla is incorporating cutting-edge neural network training for hand movements into robot design to optimize for dexterity. Optimus can learn from and adapt to a variety of jobs by utilizing AI and machine learning, which will gradually improve its performance. It takes this ongoing learning process to build robots that perform well in contexts that are dynamic and unexpected. The fun with Tesla's AI and bot, though, doesn't end there. It's even more fascinating because every day brings new and intriguing discoveries with ups and downs. That is how Tesla continues to attract an increasing number of investors. But who else is as optimistic about Tesla as you are? That would be Seeking Alpha, our sponsor for today. It's not enough to merely watch Tesla's phenomenal rise from the sidelines. Seeking Alpha is the one-stop shop for Tesla enthusiasts and those who have an eye for finding the next big stock market find. It provides the most recent information on Elon Musk, Tesla developments, and target stock prices. The greatest online source for pro-Tesla news is Seeking Alpha, so avoid the conventional media's negativity toward the car. Our channel might receive a commission if you click on the affiliate links in the description and make a purchase. I appreciate your help. In the future, increasing a robot's waist degree of freedom can greatly improve its training process. Robots may now move more naturally and like humans because to this increased flexibility, which increases their adaptability and capability in a variety of situations. For example, bending at the waist enables robots to emulate human gestures by reaching objects at varying heights and angles. It's interesting to note that some tasks may benefit from robots having flat hands. Flat palms can offer a steady and dependable surface for gripping and manipulating things, despite the fact that this may appear paradoxical, particularly for applications requiring a firm grip or support. The design of Optimus prioritizes speed, accuracy, safety, and dependability. For robots to function in industrial environments, where accuracy and reliability are critical, these characteristics are essential. Tesla hopes to develop Optimus into a robot that can improve productivity and blend in smoothly with manufacturing workflows by making sure it satisfies these requirements. As of right now, Optimus is being tested in a variety of capacities at Tesla plants. However, because of inefficiencies in the design of specialized robots, not all tasks have been entirely automated. Refining Optimus to do a wider variety of jobs is the aim in order to decrease the requirement for specialist robots and increase overall efficiency. Although automating low-hanging fruit chores might seem simple, the reality is more nuanced. Resources such as money, time, and manpower are important factors in deciding whether tasks are automated. Sometimes it makes more sense to leave some jobs to be completed by humans for the time being, since the costs and effort involved in automating them may exceed the advantages. These limitations draw attention to the difficulties in accomplishing extensive automation. Exciting news has emerged on the possibility of Gen 3 automation before year's end. It is anticipated that the third iteration of the Tesla bot Optimus will have improved features, such as 22 degrees of freedom. As Tesla continues to push the limits of robotics, this breakthrough will probably lead to a sharp increase in the manufacturing of bots. By incorporating cutting-edge technologies, Optimus will be able to do a wider range of intricate jobs, increasing its usefulness in a variety of industries. By 2030, Tesla wants to reach 1 million bots, starting with a 10x multiple. Even after taking into consideration possible assumption mistakes, the figures are probably very high. This exponential development curve demonstrates Tesla's dedication to increasing production and integrating robots into daily life.